What if I told you that the coffee in this cup was made without a single coffee bean? Welcome to Circuit Story, where we uncover the hidden tales of tech. Today, we're brewing up something special, introducing the world's first molecular coffee. It's exactly what it sounds like, coffee crafted at the molecular level, designed to mimic the taste, aroma, and mouthfeel of your traditional cup of joe without the environmental impact of coffee farming. But how does it work? And more importantly, how does it taste? With traditional coffee production facing challenges from climate change, could this be the future of our morning ritual? So, what's the story? Is molecular coffee just a novelty? Or is it the beginning of a caffeine revolution? We'll leave the debate to the experts, but one thing's for sure, the world of tech is full of surprises. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more stories from the circuit.